Always working, by the way, always working. Now finish the video and after that you can work on the blog post. Because it's an FAQ for the mainnet.
Eine Get Work Message bringt dir 40 Gigahashes an.
That guy posted a new blog post. Nimiq, the most complete project you're about to hear about.
So about 5 years ago we founded a different company. It's called Capira. It was for interactive learning videos, but that doesn't matter that much to the story. The important part is that back then you already had a laptop that was really old. And I said, you shouldn't work with that one. He still has that laptop with him. And now I just wanted to convince him to give me that laptop to turn it into an air-gapped hardware wallet.
But I'm still using it, so no chance.
Yeah, that's good.
Less or more stress?
I think less.
She don't know that I'm gonna pay her in Bitcoin.
Yeah, now we care about the serious problems, like making sure that all the boxes here have the same width.
The most important problem is solved now.
Yeah.
So now we are ready for mainnet. So for me it's like a showstopper. You know? the misaligned box. It hurts so much.
You can't really see it. I got it?
No, I think there's not much left to say. Everybody's excited, getting the last details ready. Us, like everybody, to push the button.
Again.
Push the button. You know what's the new phrase or the slogan of the community? Like, for us, they said, because you know we call them the Nimiq sushi or something like that. So they say, okay, bring on the wasabi.
Bring on the wasabi. What else needs to be done? I still have like some points on my to-do list. We're getting to that push the button. How you feeling so far?
Good.
Oh, I don't know how I feel, like it's crazy.
How do you call it?
Hey, how's it going?
Chris, flavor.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, unfortunately you didn't have time when we started the whole project. You were in a different project, but now you finally see it.
Okay. Started with Ethereum, then when I came here, I saw the first time the Nimiq when you presented here. And
Oh, you were here at that meetup?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
There is a group of hackers in Costa Rica. It's called Hackerspace, and Alvaro is actually the founder.
And we're just about to set up everything, so the final infrastructure, and to test the final infrastructure for the mainnet.
Just some interesting graphs, you know. It's apparently today at 5 p.m. like someone joined the network with like 500 nodes or something. So like 500 browsers joining the network at the same time. So it's not a bad thing. It's actually cool to see, but it's definitely a very sudden increase in, you know, peers on the network.
Pretty good, actually. Stuff is coming together, and you know, like you feel how everything is finally, like you're finalizing this and finalizing that. So that's exciting.
So there are right now there are like 1,800 active addresses on the network. We have almost 700 active connections to the seed nodes.
How do you know when you can mine? Soon as you see that it's up, or what will people be looking for?
So basically they need to wait until we officially release the client. So right now we're basically building the client in secret. So we have prepared the Genesis block, but we've not published it. So
Well, we have to build Windows packages as part of the packages we're going to make available to the community. We need to help our community make sure that what they are downloading is in fact our code and has not been modified, right, by somebody else. So you do that with digital signatures, kind of like the same as you will sign a transaction in the blockchain, right? But every operating system has like their own way of doing that. So we already solved that for Linux. It was kind of easy, but Windows uses a different system for that. So I need to figure out how to do that in a secure way also.
Do you ever get blurry vision sometimes?
This doesn't have, but it is solarized, right?
Two types of glasses.
Really? What's the
Not
difference?
for blurry vision, but so these are a bit stronger and better for the small
Gotcha.
I've done the time lapse of these guys because they're always pacing around during thinking about really hard stuff. So it's really funny to take a look at them all the time, like running through the apartment all the time, around the pool or around the table. It's really funny.
Our workout area is under construction. Go live.
Looks like we're not doing a workout today.
You need to know at least 3 important lessons that we will talk about here in this course. And if you get those lessons, which are not very complicated, they are easy if you apply them well, you'll be probably very secure.
See you tomorrow for mainnet.
See you tomorrow.
See ya!
See you guys tomorrow for the mainnet.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
So many